As self-driving cars grow towards becoming a more realistic mode of transportation, there are a lot of exciting new possibilities they can bring. However, they may also come with a few downsides as well. Let's take a look at some of the different pros and cons. Pro: generally reducing accidents and congestion. Most accidents on the road are due to some form of human error, whether it's distraction, impaired driving, or poor decision-making. Self-driving cars will have faster reaction times, as well as the ability to communicate with other self-driving cars, which could help them to avoid accidents and even reduce traffic jams. Con: even with lower odds, accidents can still happen due to technology malfunctions or humans driving other cars. And if accidents do happen, who would be at fault? The manufacturer or the car's owner? Pro: self-driving cars have the potential to completely change our commutes. Since there's no actual driving required, you could use this time to work on the go, incorporating your commute into your workday. But if that's not an option, or if your commute is particularly long, you could use that time to watch TV shows, check social media, or even sleep. Con: as with many other emerging technologies, they're going to eliminate some jobs. It's predicted that millions of professional driving jobs will be wiped out, including both truck and taxi driving. It's also possible that related fields like car insurance and auto repair could be affected. Even though new jobs will emerge during this transition, it could prove to be a difficult time for many. Pro: parking will be less of an inconvenience. Whether you're in a busy parking lot or looking for a spot downtown, your car has the potential to drop you off and then go find a parking spot on its own. Or maybe even just circle the block while you run a quick errand. Con: self-driving cars are going to be pretty expensive. Hardware, like cameras and sensors, and the software required to process the incoming data could make things fairly pricey. After their release, the prices may come down, but they may still be more expensive than traditional cars. This may mean that car ownership decreases in the future, with people opting to rent self-driving cars only when they need them. Owning a car might even become obsolete. The future's uncertain, but whether we like it or not, the rise of driverless cars is bound to transform transportation in one way or another.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.